Good evening and welcome to the Casual Chef's Kitchen. Enjoy this evening's presentation. The recipe for tonight is brats and veggies. The morning mise en place. Just after prep. The evening mise en place in order of appearance. Here I'm melting some butter and heating some oil in a brazier. I add the onion and give it a good saute for a few minutes. Then I add the garlic and saute some more for about 30 seconds. Then I add all the peppers and continue to saute. I add the herbs and saute them in. Then I add the sliced brats and saute. Here's the final dish in the pan. And here's the final presentation. Thank you for joining me here at the Casual Chef's Kitchen. I hope you enjoyed the presentation. Have fun cooking.